dear students. As always, it is a pleasure to greet you. In past sessions, we have addressed the executive summary, which synthesizes clearly and concisely the content of the business plan, which, however, must be written once the plan itself has been written. Now, we will talk about the nature of the project. Firstly, it is important to answer the question, what is the nature of the project? Well, specifically, it is the result of a process of analysis and planning, based on the reality in which an idea is born, which may be the answer or solution to a specific requirement of an organization or one of its clients. It could be said that the nature of a project is the essence of it. It must be defined in a concrete way. It contemplates the objective that supports it, the mission, and the justification to materialize it. Defining the nature of a project means refining the concept to such an extent that it could be compared to adjusting the course of a boat or specifying the map of a trip, considering the starting point and the final destination. Especially in the case of entrepreneurs, to correctly establish the nature of the project is to specify what your business is and what scope is displayed. It is that essential. The nature of the project, the nature of the project well thought out and understood by all involved becomes the best compass you can have. This does this doesn't mean that everything will be resolved at this point. But who knows where he is going and how? Undeniably, has a better chance of reaching the goals. The nature of a project consists of at least nine sections: project description, justification, institutional framework, purpose of the project, project description, goals, beneficiaries, products, and physical location and spatial coverage. The project description refers to the exact idea, type, class, scope covers, context in which it is located from the point of view of the organization. Justification refers to criteria that give rise to the completion of the project, the priority of the problems for which a solution is sought, the reasons why it is the most viable solution proposal to solve it. The institutional framework consists of defining the mandate, legal and administrative situation, facilities and services, organizational structure and administrative procedures, personnel and functions. Purpose of the project means the impact of the project, verify their performance quantitatively and qualitatively. In addition, it is key that a single purpose is built or is accompanied by other compatible purposes. Project descriptions, it is about indicating the destination of the project or the effects that are intended to be achieved with its realization. It must bring together the main objectives or central purpose and the specific, immediate, or complementary objectives. Goals. With the goals, we answer the questions how much, when, and where the objectives will be achieved. This determines the level and composition of the inputs, the activities to be undertaken, and the modality of the operations to carry them out. Beneficiaries who are favored with the impact of the project. This target group is delimited, indicating its characteristics and situation in relation to the project. With products, we refer to the material results or services rendered. The feasibility of carrying it must be checked and ordered in a logical time sequence. Their execution is essential to achieve the proposed objective and they are viable with the available resources. Finally, physical location and spatial coverage answers the questions where will it be located, macro location and micro location. Spatial coverage indicates the physical space that the project will cover in terms of services, provision, or area of influence. Before finish, you are going to carry out the following activity. Mm, In accordance with the ideas chosen by you in the previous activity, teams will carry out the identification of the nature of the project, implementing the 9 sections presented here, hoping that everything will get better soon. Have a nice day.